Best Brothers Sewing Machine. Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. Here I am back with another video, and in this video, I will let you know about the Best Brothers Sewing Machines. So, here without any further delay, let's start with this video. And yes, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon for future video notifications. Now, without any delay, let's start with this. And yes, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. Number 1. Brothers CS6000i Sewing Machine. This Brothers CS6000i stitching device is one of the most exceptional machines that we've got come throughout, and you can have it in an affordable range. It is packed with some particular capabilities, which might be certain to be useful resources for the customers of their stitching. Firstly, the principal problem, threading, is looked after absolutely with this stitching gadget. The smooth threading makes it very handy for the customers. The computerized threader makes certain that your thread is going via the needle at the primary attempt itself. The big desk lets you sew and make quilts with no problem at all. Large tasks may be treated with ease. The integrated pace management makes it handy for everyone, and there's virtually no requirement for any foot management system. The Brothers CS6000i stitching gadget can supply an extensive variety of stitches and serve an extensive variety of sewing purposes. Furthermore, the rate is a touch low in comparison to the capabilities, and this is the cause its miles opted through customers throughout the world. However, there's probably a bit of problem with the mild for the ones who've eye problems, but that may be conquered effortlessly through the use of an additional lamp across the sewing area. Now, let's have a look at the next one, and let's see what we have at this next number. Number 2. Brothers SC600 Sewing Machine. So, now we have another outclass automatic sewing machine. Unlike many unique and popular stitching machines, the uniqueness of this Brothers SC600 is that it has an automatic device for stitching. The fundamental characteristic of this automated device is that by connecting your system to the computer, you may fast and effectively switch innumerable bot styles and designs from professional internet sites and apply them to your preferred material in a time. Another very appealing factor approximately the Brothers SC600 is that the touchscreen shades LCD show removes the problem of the usage of a single button otherwise for exclusive purposes. The LCD mild is likewise brilliant and sufficient, and the sewing workspace is likewise vibrant and spacious for your purpose. Overall, that is a totally dependable and flexible device. Furthermore, the charge which you pay for this very beneficial stitching embroidery system is hardly ever something in comparison to the capabilities it has to offer. However, you should maintain in thoughts how you operate the device. This is due to the fact, in a few instances you would possibly extrude the needle in case the thread tangles. So, now let's have a look at the next option, and let's see what we have at this new option. Number 3. Brothers XR9550 PRW Project Runway Sewing Machine. Now let's have a look at another outstanding Brothers sewing machine. There are probably 100 or maybe 1,000 stitching machines to be had with inside the markets nowadays, and some of them are probably through Brothers itself. However, there are a few capabilities that set this Brothers XR9550 PRW Project Runway above some of them. The most important function that units it aside is its sew capability. Unlike maximum different gadgets that offer approximately 60 or 70 integrated stitches, this one includes 110 integrated stitches to help you paint on unique fabric comfortably and create a masterwork of your own. The needle function button is some other element. This is very beneficial for users. On the opposite hand, the brightly lit task area, the smooth threading facility, the unfastened arm, jam-resistant bobbin, and 165 sew features make it a quite good deal for stitching lovers. This Brothers XR9550 PRW can provide your work with a brand new means altogether. The drawbacks of this tool are that it's miles a bit noisy and now no longer very effective for heavy responsibility stitching. However, we will neglect it, given the innumerable advantages it has to offer. Now, let's have a look at the last one and see what other alternative we have at the last number. Number 4. Brothers XM2701 Mechanical Stitching Machine. So, now we have another sewing machine, and like others, the sewing machine is also appropriate for stitching and can operate work for a long duration. The primary appealing characteristic of this Brother XM2701 stitching system is its smooth and consumer-pleasant sewing selector. Though it's far able to make use of just some of the stitches, every one and all of them is ideal in the choice method, likewise smooth. You can simply flip a knob to choose the sew of your preference and alternate it as frequently as you need. The Pinnacle drop-in bobbin is certainly the pleasure that you could have. Unlike different machines of its kind, the bobbin is jam-resistant. The unfastened arm aids and stitching cuffs and sleeves alongside more than one different matter very easily. Overall, the product has been rated as one of the exceptional of its kind. Another very appealing factor approximately this stitching system is that it's far to be had at a completely low price rate with inside the market. The most important factor that more than one customer has complained approximately is the consumer guide alone. If you've got used stitching machines earlier than this one is as smooth as a pie, there may be virtually not anything to be concerned approximately. Now, it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you will like this interesting and informative sewing machine list. Furthermore, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video, and also press the bell icon for future notifications. Also, you can get links to these shared sewing machines for further details.